model, 2005 Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase, fully converted camper LITON box van starts and drives MINIR issue no VAT bargain. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 146142. Engine, 2402 cc 2.4 TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, but the rear diff is whining, so will need replacing soon or later. Still starts and drives fine. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper van which has been well looked after. Features: sink, fully fitted camper, hob, electric hookup, wind-up windows, bed, fridge. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.